Here's how to use templates in Obsidian. First, create a folder to store your templates. Right-click in the left sidebar, select New Folder, and name it Templates. You can place it anywhere in your vault. Now go to Settings and click on Templates under Core Plugins. In the Template Folder Location field, start typing and select your Templates folder. That's it. Obsidian now knows where to look for your templates. To create a template, right-click on your Templates folder and select New Note. Give it a name, for example, Meeting Template. Inside the note, add all the recurring items you always need, for example, date, attendees, notes, and tasks. You can add these as properties by typing dashes at the top of the note. To use your template, create a new note anywhere in your vault. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-P, type Insert Template, and select it. Choose your template from the list, and all your preset items will be inserted instantly. If you have multiple templates, they will all appear in the list, so you can pick the right one for each note. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.